Next is the energy transfer. Into which form the energy can be transferred here? First of all, when you do the work on a body, then the energy is transferred from one form into another. There are different stores for the energy. Energy can be transferred from one store to another through the variety of ways, such as first of all here is mechanical energy, second one is electrical energy, heat energy, and the radiation. So these are the different methods in which the energy can be transferred from one store into another. Basically, when you do work on a body, then the energy is transferred. The transfer of the energy take place only when you do work on a body. So this energy can be transferred variety of ways such as the mechanical, electrical, heat or radiation energy. We will discuss all of these one by one. First of all, here is the energy transfer and description. Description means that here the explanation of these energies are present. First of all, here is the electrical energy. What is meant by electrical energy? The electrical energy is possessed by the devices that is related with the electricity, such as the cells or batteries. So the energy possessed by the cells or batteries is called the electrical energy. For example, if I talk about the cell stores chemical energy, but if I talk about the potential difference, it means that the cells supply the chemical energy to the charges so that they can move across the whole circuit. So I can simply say that this energy is basically called as electrical energy. Means that the chemical energy of the cell is transferred into the electrical energy because here the charges can move. When the charges move, there is the electrical current in the circuit. So the electrical current is basically related with the electrical energy. I can simply say that the electrical energy is produced when the chemical energy of the cell is utilized to moving the charges across the circuit. After that, second one is the mechanical energy. What is meant by mechanical energy? So the mechanical energy is transferred when the force act on the body, such as in the collision. When the two bodies are in contact, when the two bodies collide, then the force is acting on a body. This energy is basically called as mechanical energy. Radiation. Radiation is also the method of transfer of the energy. For example, you know about the solar cells. The solar cells basically the transfer sunlight energy into the electrical energy. So basically the energy from the sun comes in the form of radiation. I can simply say that the light and the sound can transfer energy from one place to another in the form of radiation. What is meant by heating? Heating is basically the mode of transfer of energy from hot object to cold object. Because you know that the temperature of the hot object is very high and the temperature of cold object is low. So the hot object possesses more energy. The energy from the hot object can be transferred to the cooled object. And this energy is transferred by different methods that we learn in the next sections. These methods are conduction, convection and radiation. All of these methods are used to transfer the energy from hot to the cooled body. Here is the example question. A stream flows out of a lake and down the side of the hill. So which transfer of the energy take place here? Option A, kinetic energy is converted into chemical energy and internal energy. B, gravitational potential energy changes into kinetic energy plus internal energy. C, gravitational potential energy plus kinetic energy. Both of these transferred into internal energy. D, kinetic energy changes into internal energy plus gravitational potential energy. So which kind of the change take place here when the steam flow out of a lake and down the side of the hill? You know about the gravitational potential energy very well because this energy is related with the height of the object. Kinetic energy is related with the motion of the object, like when the object moves, this has kinetic energy. So here is answer and explanation. See that there is a stream that is running here at the maximum height, here in this position. This has only the gravitational potential energy. I write here is only gravitational potential energy. When the water is flowing down, the height is decreasing. When the height decreases, it means that the gravitational potential energy decreases. So in which form this gravitational potential energy is transferred? You know that the water is running here. It means that the energy that is losing here because of the height, which is the gravitational potential energy, it is transferred into the kinetic energy because of the moving water, and there is also the internal energy. I can simply say that when the water is running from the maximum height towards the ground, then it basically moves from higher height into the lower height. So there is the loss of the height, due to which the gravitational potential energy decreases and it is converted into the kinetic energy plus internal energy. Let's go back and see the answers. Here in the option B, the gravitational potential energy is converted into kinetic energy plus internal energy. It means that answer B is correct from here. Examples of the energy transfer. First of all, you can see here there is a car that drives up a hill. The engine of the car basically runs on the gasoline, which stores the chemical energy. But when the car moves, the chemical energy converted into the kinetic energy because there is a moving car. So there is the conversion of chemical energy into the kinetic energy. After that, you can also see that car is moving towards the height. It means that the height is increasing. So I can simply say that there is also a small amount of gravitational potential energy. Then the chemical energy that is stored in the gasoline, it is converted into the kinetic energy. Plus, there is also the gravitational potential energy when the car drives up the hill. So this transfer of energy takes place when the car drives up a hill. You can also see from here, consider a car drives up a hill. The engine of the car runs on gasoline. The engine of the car basically runs on gasoline, which is a store of chemical energy. As the car climbs up the hill, as the car is moving up the hill, the engine transforms its chemical energy into the kinetic energy and eventually gains gravitational potential energy. Another example of the transfer of energy is the kettle that transfers the electrical energy to the internal energy of the water.